Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fake cigarette prop on Dress to Impress. So make sure your top is a little bit similar to the color of the cigarette later, because if not, it will stand out. So we are going to go here first to the Valentine's box, select the earrings, and then this is how you're going to position it. X at 0.35, Y at 0.24, and then Z at 0.4. Rotate it at X at 0.9, Y and Z at 1, and you're going to scale it down to 0.26. I think I'm just going to adjust it so it's higher a little bit just to fit it, and I'm going to place it a little bit in the middle. Then I'm just going to select the leather material and color it white. As you can see, it will show up, so color it the same as your shirt. Then for the smoke, we are going to go to the hair salon for this. Select this hair, select only bangs, and then I'm going to just color it gray for the smoke. Then for the position, X at 0.55, Y at 0.4, Z at 0.45, rotate the Y at 1, and I'm just going to scale it down a little bit here to a 0.33 maybe. You can adjust it a little bit better if you'd like to, but I am trying to hide the other part. So yeah, that is how you can create a fake cigarette on Dress to Impress. Now, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.